screen also. So just say yes to me once you are able to see the screen, so that we'll start our journey with TuteeHUB. Meanwhile, who all are seeing me on my private webinar on the social network, I'm just saying a hello to everyone. So just if you are connected with us, just say hi so that I'll get a better clarity or I'll get a better idea of who all are with me in this journey of exploring TuteeHUB. So just say hi guys if you are able to listen me, if I am audible enough, if you are able to see the screen also, just say yes so that I'll proceed further with the platform. I hope the things are fine, right? Let me check at my end also if I can see the things. Just give me a second, guys, because it's very much. I said you will get what you are looking for from this webinar of TuteeHUB, right? So just give me a second, guys. So today, I think the screen is. Share it. Let me share the screen again if it's not visible. Let me check it. Just give me a second. Just say yes once you are able to see the screen, so it will give me a better idea and we'll move forward from there. Okay, let me share it again once. So, is it visible, guys? Just say yes so that let's begin our journey with TuteeHUB. All right. I'm very much excited. I hope you are also, so that you can utilize this platform for your services, for your products, for your career, for your businesses to its full potential. Because it's not a simple, you can say, platform, guys. It has a lot of potential and it has something for everyone. Generally, I say, OpenUp is a technology-driven platform, right? It is for students, it's for corporate, it's for campuses, consultant institutes, and affiliates. So we have covered these entities of TuteeHUB, which you can say have many services they can utilize on this platform, right? It basically works on three concepts. Before I'll come to these three concepts, let me just share like why we have come up with this idea of TuteeHUB. So let me interpret the word first. What exactly do we mean by TuteeHUB, right? So it's basically the combination of two simple words. The first one is Tutee, TUTEE. The second one is hub, right? So obviously the Tutee means student. So guys, everybody is student in his life, right? Whether he is working, like done his schooling, whether he has come out from school. So there is at some stage, everybody is student, right? They are in the process of learning the things. So and during their learnings, they are facing different kinds of problems related to, you can say, their education, related to their career, related to their jobs. So there are lots of things happening in and around when they are just completed their study, right? So we have created this platform for those you can say students, and when we call it as a hub, so it's basically a community, right? So it's a student community from the very first perspective, which is the central entity of everything, because from there only you can say the journey begins. So that's why we have taken this name TuteeHUB, because through this platform the journey of the student starts from being a student to a professional to a corporate to an entrepreneur to a startup, whatever it is. So the journey begins from being a student, right? So that's why we our main, you can say, central point of this complete platform is the student. Okay. The second, so guys, you all are aware of, if you are a student, then you have seen that you guys, when you have come out from your school, right? The very first thing, or very you can say the problem, or the you can say think tank starts is that after 12th, right? I have to look for opportunities, like in which stream, in which area I have to move on, right? And then once you decided the things, let's say I want to be an engineer, I want to be a, you can say doctor, I want to be X, I want to be Y. So once you have decided, the next step that comes into is what is the best institute where I can get my education, get my knowledge to become an engineer, to become a doctor, to become, you can say, manufacturer, to become an entrepreneur also, so to become HR, whatever it is. So your journey begins from the thinking process once you are done with your schooling, right? So there are lots of questions comes into your mind. So this platform is there to start your journey once you are out from your college, right? Why? Because here you guys can look for different trends of jobs, different trends of opportunities available in the market by like analyzing various things. Then you can explore what all institutes are available for which kind of opportunity. For example, you wants to be a computer engineer, you wants to be a IT guy, right? So you can explore different organizations, different colleges in a single platform. Why we have created this consolidated solution, I'll just explain it to you later, because then only you can relate the dots. Why I'm saying it as an ecosystem, not as a say standalone platform, right? And how much potential this platform is for you. If you are a student, right, what you can do on this platform is you can look for various opportunities. You can apply uh, for admissions to different colleges based on the target area you have set for yourself. If you want to be a computer engineer, if you want to be an HR, if you want to be a doctor, whatever it is, you can explore various opportunities on this platform, right? Whether it in terms of institutes or colleges, or whether it in terms of the opportunities in the market. Both the things you can explore from. The second thing, if you are a student, right, what you can do over here, you can assess yourself. Guys, as you are aware of, if you are applying for any kind of competitive exams, right, or if you are going for any kind of job interview, if you are exploring or learning any kind of new things, then how do you like analyze yourself? How good fit you are for that particular stuff? That can only be done once you analyze yourself. How you can analyze? So whatever the learnings you have done, whatever the experience you have done, you have to give any kind of. What you can do is you can take up the exams. You can assess yourself in various ways, right? So that you can understand where you are standing. Because once you are able to understand where you are, like standing, where you are lacking, then only you can improve in yourself, right? So TuteeHUB platform will help you to get that kind of understanding by providing you various, you can say, category of question bank. Somewhere around 3.5 lakhs of questions are here and various categories. So you can utilize this platform for assessing yourself, right? So that you can get the best out of you. If you are lacking somewhere, then also this platform will help you to find a suitable, you can say, person which will help you to groom in the areas where you are lacking. For example, I guess if you have attended our webinars earlier also, so we generally talks in three major areas. Apart from this platform, we are sharing our knowledge in three areas. The first one is human resource, right, and career development. So basically, that is one of the most important area in which there are lots of knowledge is being shared with you guys in terms of career, right? In terms of what all things you have to do as a student, what all things you have to do as a job seeker. So all those things will be shared by our colleagues who are giving you this knowledge. The second area we generally provide the information is the business development, right? Because obviously, if you have your own organization, so you want to build an automated system so that you can effectively utilize your uh, business processes. So we are discussing on those areas also as a part of exclusive, you can say, services. The third area that matters for any business or any process is the branding and marketing. So we have the specialist in those areas also. So we'll discuss those things later, guys. So let's move to that. Being a student, what you have here for you, right? The first thing that is that you can explore which all streams you have to go with. The second area you can explore here is to how to assess yourself, right? And the third thing that you can see that once you are done with your assessment, what areas you have to work on so that you can excel in your career, right? That's the third area. The fourth area you can like explore or is for you is the internships and jobs. So obviously, if you are learning something, if you are studying on some streams, so your main goal is to get started with something to be done practically, right? Whether it's related to projects, whether it's related to internships, whether it's related to job, right? So we have all these three, four areas for you where you can just onboard on our system, right? You can explore various opportunities for yourself, get the practical knowledge from the market, right? By applying various internships, get your internships done, get the exposure, then you can apply for jobs over here. So there are lots of things for you. So it starts from your beginning, right? Beginning means once you are deciding that after 12th what you have to do. So think in that way that what we are doing is we are creating a proper leg for you in every stage of your life, right? Once you are, let's move to the next step for scholar itself, then we'll move to other entities also. So let's say you are done with your job or you got a great offer for yourself, right? What next you have to do is, guys, the very first thing is we have to keep on learning, right? So if you are still doing your job, right, still you have to keep on learning various things. Whether if you are a technical, you can say a developer, then you have to keep on brushing up your skills on a regular basis. So through this platform, you can explore various ways through which you can improve on your skills by doing the various projects or by like reading articles, then applying those knowledge in a practical way. So you can discuss the problems or technical statements on this platform using forum and discussion board over here. So during your job here, you can have all these things utilized. So let's say after your job, you are again looking for some new opportunity. So that is obviously this platform is there for you only. So if you can see from the very beginning till your professional life, you are like having various stages. You can utilize various services on this platform based on the type of user you are, right? So let's like summarize for the student that for the students we have admissions, various opportunities, career path development, you can say, right? Then the assessment part is there for the students. They can assess themselves. Then they can think. We'll be giving them, you can say, a complete analytics where they are lacking, so that they can improve on the things. They can connect with various corporates, various institutes. If they have to learn something, they can connect. You can say professionals also through this platform. They can get the learnings. Then they can apply for internships and jobs on this platform. So all in all, we like there is lots of things which they can utilize on this platform, and all these things will be for the lifetime till you are doing your job, right? Because if you are doing job and if you want to switch, then this platform is here for you. As I said, that the learning is a lifetime process, right? We have to keep on learning to like come out with the best from ourselves. Then this platform is for you because there are lots of learning materials out there. So you can utilize this platform in a very potential or good manner, right? Now coming to the second entity, right? The second entity is corporate. So being a corporate, what is the best for you? How you can utilize this platform as so guys, as I'm running my own company, right? So I know what kind of problems generally corporates or startups or entrepreneurs faces. The very first problem they face is, you can say, the manpower, right? The building of a smart team. So how generally they can come out with this problem. So this platform will help them to find the talented people, the assessed people, right? So that they will be very much confident that whatever the persons they are like taking up in their team is the correct fit for their organization. Because if we are not able to build a smart team with us, then obviously we cannot, you can say, grow our business to the next level which we have thought of. So the very first thing for the corporates is the manpower, the talent they can find here. They can utilize or they can take our exclusive services also, in which our specialized, you can say, team will help them to select the best candidate. Apart from that, if they wants to see and if they wants to utilize this platform, then they can do it by themselves also. We have an automated system in which there is a complete interview process that is there. There is a ATS integrated within this platform, and they can surely find good talent for this. The second thing that matters for any business is, you can say, the client page, right? So here basically we have an inbuilt, you can say, platform where they can explore the client page. They can look for the clients. They can look for projects, various projects in different categories. They can look for work by publishing their services over here, right? So that kind of opportunity we also have in this platform. So if they want to utilize this platform for the full potential, they can just onboard this platform, can have all the services they are doing for others. They can just post it here, right? So that they can get the clientage for their services and products if they are looking. Third thing is, if they don't want to have a in-house team, then they can look for remote talent also, right? How they can just obviously you have heard about freelancing platforms. So we have a complete integrated platform in this whole ecosystem of TuteeHUB. We have this level of platform also embedded in it, so that they don't have to go anywhere. So the three things that I count over here, let's take from the beginning, that they can find a good talent, whether it is an in-house or a remote talent, right? Second thing, they can assess their team also if they want to. They can utilize our examination module where they can assess their team on a regular basis to check the performance where they are standing and help them to improve. So that obviously, when you have a good team, when they are working from their full potential, then obviously your business is growing. If they are not working for their from their, you can say, 100% or 200% potential, then obviously there is a lacking in your growth as a business or as a company, right? The third thing is looking for clients. Yes, this platform is for you. If you want to have any kind of exclusive services like for lead generation and all branding, they can do connect with our specialist. But if they want to do it, promote their services by themselves, they can utilize our platform and can publish their services for the same. So we have these things, some of these things. Obviously, there are lots of things, but these are the few main things they can utilize on our platform, right? Now, coming to the third entity, that is campuses, right? The very first thing that matters for campuses is to get the student, right? Somebody who is interested in studying at their campus. So the very first thing is getting the leads of students who are interested in taking course from their college or campus or university. So this platform will help them to generate the leads to connect with the students across India. Obviously, we are targeting, as of now, we are targeting India. They can just look for different talents, persons who are looking for these kinds of courses. So what they can do is they can build up their profile. They can publish all the courses and all the details about themselves on this platform, so that they can find a suitable students for them. Right? They can connect with them via various means. Right? So that they can get them admission in their courses. That is the very first thing. That is the very first step of any campus, because obviously the student is the main thing which will help them to run their campuses. If there is no student, then obviously there is no need of you can say running that particular organization or campus or college, right? The second step is obviously the staff, right? They can utilize this platform for hiring their teachers also. They can utilize this platform for hiring their staff who will be performing various operations within their complete university, right? By maintaining every data within their in a secure form within this platform itself. Nobody has access to their internal data, obviously. right? So they can utilize this platform in that way also. Just a second, guys. The third thing that matters for their university or campus is the placements of, you can say, for their students also, right? Because they got the students in place, they have the teachers in place, they have the processes in place. Now, what next? Once they are done with the study, the thing that is a very much headache for them, for any university, for any college, is to get their student placed, right? So this platform will help them in the same also. As we are connected with thousands and thousands of corporates also, we have a good amount of pool of students also. We have an inbuilt system for assessment and an interview process also. So they can utilize this platform for getting their students placed to various corporates, right? So that is another area the campus can look for. And apart from these, if they want to promote their themselves, they can utilize this platform. So these are some of the services, some of the main important points. If you are a college or a university, you can utilize our platform, this TuteeHUB platform, for your, you can say, whatever the services you are looking for. Now, coming to the fourth entity that we are catering is the consultant, right, or a professional, you can say. Guys, obviously, the three entities are obviously the student is one. Rest of the two entities are the bigger organizations or the bigger entities, right? Now, what it has for the individuals who are skilled enough, who wants to like share their knowledge, who wants to earn, right? So we have built up a category named as or built up an entity we are catering named as consultant, right? Consultant means basically what we are talking about is the professional who are specialized in any particular stuff. Whether you are, let's say, technical consultant, whether you are a teacher, so whatever you are as an individual, as a skilled individual, you can utilize our platform. You can share your knowledge with others. You can publish your courses if you are, because on this platform so that you can get it earned. If you want to connect with any kind of students, any kind of institutes from this platform to give your services to them, you can utilize this platform, right, in various ways. So this platform will be helpful for you as an individual or independent, skilled uh, professional or a consultant, right? Now coming to the institutes, obviously, guys, universities and colleges are a big level of institutes, right? Thousands of departments, or hundreds, tons of departments, and thousands of students are there. So that is on a bigger scale. But what about smaller scale institutes who are giving the, you can say, knowledge to specialized courses? So we have the things for them also. They can utilize this platform for promoting their courses. They can obviously look for getting the leads from this platform for in terms of students, or if some kind of guest lectures they want. So they can utilize this platform for that purpose also. And they can utilize this platform once they have trained the candidates on a specialized skills. So based on the trend, based on the jobs available in the market, they can utilize this platform for the placement of their candidates also. So in that way, the institute is can utilize this platform for getting the leads also, for getting the candidates placed, even giving you can say the classes online also with this platform, because this platform is going to have a module for online classes also soon, right? So in this way, they can utilize, irrespective of they have an infrastructure, complete infrastructure or not, they can utilize this platform in a better way. Because obviously, if they are small institutes, they are individuals, then obviously it's difficult for them to like build up a complete infrastructure, especially IT infrastructure, which will help them to like utilize the power of technology, right? So TuteeHUB platform will be helping them by just you can say promoting them via this platform in a best effective manner. So these are some of the entities. Now the second or the last entity which we are catering is the affiliate. So if you are not good at if you are good at selling or promoting the things, right? If you have your own influence, then you can utilize this platform by doing an affiliate marketing for the others, right? So you can utilize this platform for affiliation, for selling other products, promoting their services, So we have a marketing and sales sections in terms of affiliate for this on this platform itself. So if you can think of guys, whether you are a student, you are a corporate, you are a consultant, you are an affiliate or marketer, then think in that way that you can have something for yourself through this platform. Now, this is about the services, right? What you can do, what is the potential this platform has. Now, why? What is the reason we have come up with all these different areas or services in one single platform? Is that we can create a complete call leg, because nowadays, guys, there are lots of platforms available in the market, right? There are, if I talk about job portals, there are tons of job portals, specialized job portals, right? If I talked about examination system, there are tons of sites which have examination systems also in place. If I talked about, you can say, finding colleges, there are tons of sites which are giving you the information about the colleges. So all these specialized sites are doing their own, right? They are restricted to that particular stuff. But what our main role is, uh, giving you a step by step or a consolidated information in an organized manner. So once you start exploring, you will came to know that how the information is being organized. But yes, if I'm talking about from the student perspective, right? It has a complete journey. It has a complete step-by-step processes and services for you as a student. So that's why it has a good potential uh, to utilize for your career if you are a student, and if you are corporate, then you can utilize this platform for your services, for your products, for your manpower, for your business processes. You can utilize this platform in an effective manner. If you are a college or institute, you can utilize or build up your complete process via this platform, so that you don't have to look for here and there, because every particular entity of your complete process are here only. I have given you examples, right? So everything is on a single network in a secure form. You can have everything in place. You can interact with each other for any kind of processes you have in your organization, in your, you can say, college institutes. If you are a student, then if you are from the learning perspective, you have everything. If you are looking for jobs, you have everything. So we have built it in a step by step in organized manner, because guys, if the things are not organized, then obviously you cannot take the full potential of those things. Whether it is related to any kind of services process, if it is related to career also. So we have tried to like implement this platform in a way that you can have the things at any step you require anything, it will be here only. You can utilize this platform. As I said, or as I have given an example of student that once they are out with this, you can say, school, they are looking for colleges, right? They are looking for starting their career by learning the things. So the TuteeHUB platform is for them, right? Then once they are into any college, they have to look for internship. They have to look for trainings. They are looking for jobs, right? They are building their skill set. They have to assess themselves. Then that is the second or third stage for their career. So TuteeHUB is the one for the reference. Once they have started, you can say, doing their jobs, so obviously they will be utilizing this platform to gain expertise. I think it is just gone for a second, right? So now coming to the concept of TuteeHUB, on which three main concept or pillar this TuteeHUB is, you can say, driven, is learn, work, and earn concept. So I have explained about what potential it has for every different entities. So obviously you can easily understand the concept. So let me explain it again. It is based on three concepts, which is the part of every business, every career, every life, guys. That is the learn, work, and earn concept, right? Because as I said that during this paced life, everybody has to learn on a daily basis, because if they are not learning, because the things are changing very fast, right? So if they are not learning, they will be left behind, right? Or they will not get what they exactly looking for. So that's why we have taken this as the first pillar or as the first concept of this platform, that is the learning. So keep on learning through this platform so that you can get the best out of yourself for your businesses and all. The second concept that matters is the work. So guys, learning is not the only thing that matters. The implementation, the action, the adaptation of those learning, and converting those learnings into some tangible output is the second concept, that is the work. So utilize those learnings and do the work based on those learnings so that you can get the best out of it. You can get the output from it, whatever you have learned. That's why we have taken this as the second pillar, the second concept, that is work. So learn and then work. The third concept that is everybody knows about is the earn, right? So guys, if you are learning something and if you are working on those learnings or for someone, then obviously we are expecting some kind of earnings from it. So that's why we have taken these three concepts, which you can fit into any aspects, whether it's a business, whether it's a job, whether it's life also. These three concepts fits in everywhere. That's why we have taken this as a core principle of TuteeHUB. That is learn, work, and earn. Irrespective of which kind of entities you are into, if you are a student, then also you can adapt these three concepts as a learner, worker, and earner. If you are corporate, then also you can adapt these three concepts as from the learning perspective. You can see the services in a different way. From the earning perspective, from the work, you can utilize this platform, or you can adapt these three concepts in your corporate or company culture, right? So these are the three main pillars or concept of TuteeHUB. So guys, I hope you get a good clarity of what exactly TuteeHUB is all about, for what all types of users uh, this platform has the services for, right? We have everything for everyone, as I said earlier during the initial statement also. It has things for everyone, right? So irrespective of who you are, it has something for you, and you can utilize this platform in a very effective manner, right? So this is just you can say explanation about this platform, its potential, and in future we are having a good roadmap in which we'll be like giving you the opportunity to connect in a more you can say, because the networking is one of the biggest thing for anyone's career, for anyone's business. If you have to grow in your career, you should have a good network, right? If you have to grow your business, you should have a good network. So the ecosystem we are prepared will give you a full potential to network with others, right? So that you can get the best out of from your career perspective, from your business perspective. So that's why we are building this ecosystem. So you can think of guys, it has a good potential. It has a lot of opportunity for different entities using different services we have in place, and they can network with each other in an organized manner, because we are building it in a proper way so that you can utilize this platform to get the best out of from yourself, from your career, for your businesses, and all those stuff. So I hope you will going to explore this platform in a proper way. Just come out with your views on this platform. Come out with any problems you are facing or any suggestions you have. We will love to have your feedbacks on this, and I hope this will add value in your career, in your business also. This platform will help add value in this, and I hope you will get what you are looking from this platform, so that you can get the best out of yourself. So thanks for listening. Thanks for exploring this platform. Go through with it. Come out with your views. Come out with your ideas also. If you want to have some additional stuff in this platform, because it's going to be the next big thing, guys, for everyone, right? It's because it has everything for everyone in an organized manner. So spend some time, explore the TuteeHUB, and we would love to share more knowledge in the coming sessions. Obviously, that is related to the career and businesses, and I hope you will understand why we have built up this TuteeHUB platform and what is our vision and mission, that we are going to build an ecosystem where everyone will have, you can say, will be on the single platform and they can interact or trade with each other so that they can get benefited and they don't have to manage multiple system, multiple processes. They can have everything in one place in an organized manner. So thanks for listening me, guys. This is all about TuteeHUB, and I hope you have I wish to have a good weekend to all of you. Thanks for your time, guys. Thanks. Bye bye for the day.